Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this phone number cannot be used for verification on Gmail. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, the fastest and easiest fix right here is to just go ahead and enter or use a different phone number. You can go ahead and use your friend or family member's number that hasn't been linked to multiple Google accounts. Now, the other option is that you can just go ahead and wait it out, okay? Wait for the servers to refresh. Wait at least 24 to 48 hours. If you have tried to verify too many times in a short period, Google may have temporarily blocked your number. So wait at least a day before trying again. Now, in case you didn't know, you could also use a landline, okay? If a mobile number is being rejected, try using a landline to receive a voice call for verification. Now, here are some steps if you want to use that specific number. Okay, let's say you have 3 Google accounts or 2. Now, maybe you're not using one of those Google accounts. So the option is you'll have to remove that phone number out of the unused account or email. Now, how do we do that? So it's pretty simple. You can just go ahead over to any Google apps right here. For example, Google. Okay. I'm going to tap on it and then tap on my profile right here at the top right. And then go ahead and tap on manage your Google account. Or you can just go ahead and open up your favorite browser and go to myaccounts.google.com. All right. Now, once you're on your profile, you can go ahead and tap on personal info. Now go ahead and find the phone number section. Tap on it. Tap on your phone number once more. And just tap on delete. Okay. And then once that's done, go ahead and create your new email and it should work now. All right, if it still doesn't work, just wait it out for about 24 to 48 hours before you can use the number again. And there you have it. That is how you fix this phone number cannot be used for verification on Gmail. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.